Cleaning out the refrigerator today. Worms? You throw my worms out?
I think that apple is fine, but this isn't.
I think those strawberries can go. They don't look good.
Throw it out.
Throw that out. That can go.
Okay, that looks good. I think those are all new things.
Everything that didn't get brought today, get rid of.
Yeah,
I agree.
yeah, don't throw my stuff.
I think
Like
I
the
did.
peppers and the apples.
Okay, Kirsten, is your new stuff in there?
Yeah, there's no old stuff in there. Okay.
Alright. Is everybody's new stuff in there?
Yeah.
It smells better.
Yeah, that top. I mean, whatever that was. I don't know.
That's all mine. Oh my god. Betsy knows like new stuff.
But it's completely sealed. It's broth.
What's this? Is this good?
Yeah, the yogurt's good.
We should make one of the interns.
What's going on here, Nick?
Apparently the refrigerator smelled like
Is
death,
this new?
so
Yes, it is. I just put it in there today.
somebody volunteered, Betsy volunteered to clean stuff out.
Too bad.
I don't smell it.
Does
that
anybody
bad.
know what this thing is? It looks like a heart
toss it out.
or a plum.
It's
A
done.
heart.
Christian, what's going on here?
Dick Cheney called him.
It's time to clean the refrigerator, and we found some species of things that scientists have never heard of before.
Egg white salad.
No, God no.
These are my two little cheeses. These are
Bring
good.
Beth over here.
Yeah, those are
These are my little cheeses. Don't throw them.
What is this? Somebody's?
Somehow we didn't.
Who wants this piece of hair?
Prostate problems or something.
Will you go check the refrigerator, make sure there's nothing in there?
No.
Good job, everybody. Now you will smell like that for the rest of the day, Bets.
Now I must go shower.
I have my mouth full.
You know, we really should have been fed.
Little shelf down there. Nice, nice. I will take the trash can into the hallway.
Yeah, please.
There was only one thing that made me bark
in
though.
here?
The wormy looking things. I don't know what that was.
Producers, get it done. Producers, get it done. Show producers.
So, let's just be a lesson. If you have shit in here, take it home when you're done.
There you go.
Alrighty. Looks clean.
Back close it.
Uh-oh. Greens. I don't think there's any room